Good evening to all of our viewers. My name is Christopher Banks. I'm a student at Freedom Preparatory Academy, and I'm the founder of a newly rising nonprofit organization here in Memphis called Drop Up. Drop Up is a organization that focuses on motivating at-risk high school dropouts by telling the personal stories of students and adults that go through the same experiences. Today we have Erica here with us telling her personal stories on the importance of education. And without further ado, Erica, it's nice to meet you today. And my first question is, why does education matter to you?
Well, first of all, I feel like personally being basically the first person to go to college, I feel like education will not only further my opportunities in life, but also my family, which is they're like really important to me. So I just really want to like help them, like give back to them.
So how did your family support you in terms of education? How did that create your educational values, so to speak?
Well, basically, they always been really supportive of whatever I really wanted to do. They always told me whether I wanted to either work or go to school. And well, I always thought that going to school would be much better for me, not only because it will be better in the long run, it's also just something kind of a competitive type of thing with my older brother. But I just feel like they just really want the best for me, so they just been trying to push me forward. They always say that they'll take care of everything based on kind of like monetary type of things, but I know it's kind of it's still really like a burden for them, like a load, and I really want to take that off of them, so I'm really trying to push forward so I can lessen that load, and I'm going to be doing that through my education.
I respect that. I think that's really good. And for our viewers out there, like, how did your environment shape your personality and being and your mentality? How you care for education and seeing the values for it?
Well, to begin with, I feel like one of the things that kind of also pushed me forward to kind of pursue my education was my older brother. He dropped out of high school, so he 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 dropped in ninth grade, so he didn't really go through high school, but he dropped at a really short, I guess, journey. But he started working right after. But I feel like he has been kind of passing by life. Like he gets what he gets, but he can't really fully appreciate it because he only gets a little bit of what he could have gotten if he had furthered his education, at least finishing high school.